I'm going to show you how to shorten or lengthen your folded bracelet watch band. These bands are usually found on Japanese watches like this Orient 3 stars or many Seiko watches. To make it easier to work on the back of the bracelet, I'll first open the micro adjustment. Then I remove the spring bar and put it aside. Now you can see that the end links are a little different and they have some mark on them. These links can be opened. On these links there is an arrow pointing up and you can also see a small bump. You need to use sharp tool and push it from the inside. Alright, I'm going to start pushing the core of the link outward. It needs a little more pressure. Okay, the core is out now, and I can remove the link. Okay, you can see the core. I'll open one more link as well. Okay, I'll set the extra link aside and close the bracelet again. When closing it, you just need to push the core back into the link in the correct direction. And that's it. We have shortened a folded bracelet watch band. Now I just need to put the spring bar back into the place and close the micro adjustment again.